Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home and doing well in your studies also. Today in our HCG2 class, we'll study about chapter 9, that is Australia. The term Australasia includes Australia, New Zealand and neighboring islands of South Pacific Ocean. These islands which we are talking about of South Pacific Ocean, small islands in the South Pacific Ocean, is called as Oceania. Australia is the largest island and the smallest continent in the world. Lies entirely in the south of equator. This is equator. Lies entirely in the south of equator and is also called as island continent. Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all the sides, and Australia is also surrounding by water from all the sides. So this is called as island continent. The name Australia is derived from the Latin word australis, which means south. That is because of this australis, its name has been given as Australia. Australia is the sixth largest country in the world and includes the large island of Tasmania, which is in the south of Australia, which lies towards the south of Australia. Europeans settled here first in American continent. Europeans settled first in American continent and did not discover Australia until 1770s and explored it even much later. A Dutch ship sailed along the coast of Northern Australia. This is Northern Australia in 1606, but with little interest in the island and were not able to explore the land. Again in 1642, a Dutch ship captained by Abel Tasman sailed south of Australia and discovered the island, which is known as Tasmania, which lies towards the south of Australia, called as Tasmania. Now, here we are talking about Dutch ship. So, who are Dutch? Dutch is a term which is used to describe the people of Netherlands or nearby area. Long after Tasman's voyage, Abel Tasman. So, long after Tasman's voyage means here long journey travel by ship. So, long after Tasman's voyage, the British government sent a ship led by Captain James Cook to know more about the island. Captain James Cook, on reaching the Australian coast in 1788, hoisted the flag on Australia's eastern coast and claimed it for England and named this part as New South Wales. Now, what is the location and extent of Australia? Australia lies entirely in the southern and eastern hemisphere of the globe. Tropic of Capricorn, that is one of the important latitude, 23.5 degrees south, passes through the middle of Australia. Australia lies between 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitude and 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitude. So this is the location of Australia and extent of Australia. Now the island of Tasmania, that is in the south. Now what are the boundaries of Australia? Australia is bordered by Indian Ocean in the west, Southern Ocean in the south and Pacific Ocean in the east. Great Australian Bight, this is Great Australian Bight, forms an arc along the south coast. Gulf of Spencer, this is Gulf of Spencer, and Encounter Bay lies on the southeast. Here what is Bight? Let me show you in the next map. This is Great Australian Bight, Spencer Gulf and Encounter Bay. Now what is Bight? Bight is a big curve in coastline. Gulf is a large inlet from the ocean into the land with narrow opening. Then bay, and bay is a body of water surrounded by land from three sides and one side it is connected to the ocean. Bay is usually smaller than Gulf. Okay. Pacific Ocean lies to the east coast. Pacific Ocean lies towards the eastern coast. Let me show you next map. Here seas are also given. So here Pacific Ocean lies towards eastern coast. Tasman Sea here near Tasmania, which is in the south. Coral Sea in the northeastern part. Timor Sea in the northwestern part. Arafura Sea in the north. Gulf of Carpentaria. This is Gulf of Carpentaria along the northern coast. This is northern coast. Cape York Peninsula. This is Cape York Peninsula. Forms northern boundary, northern tip of Australia. This is northern tip of Australia. The island of New Guinea lies here. This is New Guinea Island, lies to the north of Australia. Tasmania lying to the south and separate Australia by Bass Strait. This is Bass Strait. Strait is not that straight line we are talking about. It is Strait. Strait is, what is strait now? Strait is a narrow strip of water that joins two major water bodies and separate two land masses. So it is separating two land masses and joining two water bodies. So this is strait, Bass Strait. New Zealand lies to the southeast at the distance of nearly 2000 kilometers. Here we have New Zealand and is separated from Australia by Tasman Sea. This is Tasman Sea and it is separating Australia. Let me show you in the world map. This is New Zealand and it is separating, Tasman Sea is separating this from Australia. So this was all about the introduction, boundaries, location and extent of Australia. Thank you.